to speak on the occasion of this blessed program of completion of Sahih al-Bukhari and the completion of Quran memorization. Today, I want to highlight the importance of madaris in our society. Number one, madaris are the cradle of knowledge. Madaris are not just institutions, but they are the cradle of knowledge, Islamic values and ethics. They provide a structured environment where students learn Holy Quran, Hadith, Fiqh and other religious sciences. More importantly, they instill moral, spiritual and other religious senses. Number two, madaris are the centers of Quranic guidance. Madaris also play a vital role in Quranic guidance. The Holy Quran says, وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ, and we have sent Quran easy for remembrance. So is there any who will remember? This verse reminds us that Quran is a noble task. So Quran is a noble task, and madaris provide a perfect platform for this sacred mission. Number three, madaris are the preservation center of Islamic heritage through the Hadith. Madaris are the Islamic heritage preservation center. The Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, Man salaka tariqan yaltamisu fihi ilman sahalallahu bihi lahu tariqan ila al-jannah. Whoever follows a path to pursue it in knowledge, Allah will make easy for him the path to paradise through the classical text like Sahih al-Bukhari and Tirmidhi. Madaris are the Islamic center of this message. Number four, madaris are the center of character building and social benefits. Madaris play a vital role in character building. Madaris are the center for character building and social benefits. Madaris play a vital role through the Quran, Hadith and other religious sciences. A student of madrasa learns not only Quran, Hadith, but also discipline, patience, respect, and care for the community. Number five, madaris serve as community centers. Madaris also serve as community centers. The Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Innama bu'istu liutammima makarim al-akhlaq," and we have sent to perfect noble character. Number six, madaris are the shield against ignorance. Madaris play a vital role in shield against ignorance. So madaris are the shield against ignorance. In today's fast changing the world, madaris stay young minds grounded in faith. May Allah bless all our students, teachers and institute, and sincerely act upon it. Thank you for your attention. Ameen.